Hello friends, in previous lectures we had discussed the capacitors and resistors, their parallel and series combination. Today we are going to see about inductors, calculation for series inductance and parallel inductance. Actually, inductor is one coil. It is an electromagnetic device and consisting of a length of wire, generally insulated, wound in a cylindrical or spiral form to obtain the concentrated field parallel to the axis of the coil. इंडक्टर म्हणजे एक प्रकारची कॉईल असते, त्याला इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक डिव्हाइस म्हटलं आहे. इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक मीन्स व्हॉट? इफ वी फ्लो सम करंट थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक डिव्हाइस that will produce or induce a voltage in that device, or it will produce a voltage, parallel voltage across that device. That's why it is called as a electromagnetic device consisting of length of wire. Electromagnetics type ची ती wire असते, insulated, and it is wounded on a cylindrical or spiral form. म्हणजे एका सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म वरती ती गुंडाळलेली वायर असते आणि आपण अशा प्रकारे की कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड टू ऑब्टेन द कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड फील्ड टू द ॲक्सिस ऑफ द कॉइल. सो द ॲबिलिटी ऑफ अ कंडक्टर टू इंड्यूस व्होल्टेज इन इटसेल्फ when the current through it is changing with time is its self inductance or inductance. मग एखाद्या कंडक्टरची ॲबिलिटी, अशा प्रकारचं व्होल्टेज इंड्यूस करण्याची ॲबिलिटी इन इटसेल्फ, स्वतःमध्ये, व्हेन द करंट थ्रू इट म्हणजे त्याच्यातून फ्लो होणारा करंट जो आहे, इट इज चेंजिंग विथ टाईम, टाईमसोबत जो फ्लो होणारा करंट आहे, त्याच्यातून फ्लो होणारा करंट आहे, इज इट्स सेल्फ इंडक्टन्स ऑर इंडक्टन्स. इट इज मेजर्ड इन हेनरी, त्याचं युनिट आहे हेनरी. So we can define here 1 Henry. It is the amount of inductance that allows 1 volt to be induced when the current changes at the rate of 1 ampere per second. So mathematically it can be written as L is equal to VL divided by di by dt, where VL is the voltage or it is self induced voltage, L is the amount of inductance, and di by dt is the changing current through the coil. So for VL we can write here VL is equal to L divided by di by dt. So some applications are there of these inductors. These inductors are used in the electronic circuits like tuned circuits, filters, and high frequency transformers. Also they are used for low and high frequency filters, then ripple smoothing chokes, time constant generating circuits with combination of resistor and capacitor, in audio frequency chokes, in SMPS, that is switch mode power supplies, and likewise. अशा प्रकारे डिफरंट ॲप्लिकेशन्समध्ये इंडक्टर्स हे वापरले जातात. ट्युनिंग सर्किट्समध्ये, देन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर्समध्ये वापरले जातात, फिल्टर्समध्ये वापरले जातात, रिपल स्मूदनिंग चोक्समध्ये वापरले जातात, रिपल फ्री करण्यासाठी, रिपल रिमूव्ह करण्यासाठी वापरले जातात, टाईम कॉन्स्टंट्समध्ये यूज केले जातात. सो वी हॅव टू सी the series and parallel combination of inductor. Here first figure shows the series combination of inductors and second one shows the parallel combination for inductors. As we seen in the resistors, the series and parallel inductors are calculated, likewise resistors. So for inductors we can, for series inductors, for n connected series inductors we can write the equivalent series inductance as LT is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus dot 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 up to Ln. And for similarly for parallelly connected inductors, we can write the equation, or as discussed for parallel resistors, as 1 by LT is equal to, it is the reciprocal of the inductors, that is 1 by LT is equal to 1 by L1 plus 1 by L2 dot 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 1 by Ln. One more thing in the inductor included is the mutual inductance. So if the mutual inductance also given in the example, then according to the polarity given, we can add or subtract that inductor from the equivalent inductor. Okay, so this is about inductor.